So today what we're going to be doing is demonstrating the teardown and pack-up procedure for Paradigm's Connect100T transportable terminal. So the first thing we want to do is remove the electronics. So that means we'll remove the cables first. So we'll unscrew the cables from the end of the transceiver. The Paradigm location sensor also needs to be removed from the transceiver using one of the Allen keys provided in the toolkit. You can now remove the Velcro from the feed boom. And undo the cable connectors from the Paradigm interface module, the PIM. We can now remove the transceiver from the feed boom using the larger of the Allen keys provided in the kit. And all of the screws are fully removed from the system and they're placed in the toolkit for storage. We can now remove the PIM from the tripod. What we need to do is loosen the wing nuts and then it will simply slide off the recess. Okay, the next step is to remove the feed boom. There's a number of wing nuts under the bottom and they're just simply removed and stowed. The next step is to remove the reflector, undoing the nuts on 5 screws at the rear of the reflector using the spanner that's provided in the toolkit. It's important that you leave the top screw as the last one that you undo so that the dish doesn't slip off. Final screw to remove is the top one. We do this last so that the dish doesn't slip off. So the procedure to do this is simply loosen it, and then we can lift the dish off without losing control. The next step is to remove the antenna backing structure. First, to do this, we need to make sure that is oriented in the lowest elevation position, so that means in a full vertical position. The first thing we need to do is loosen the elevation nuts on the side, one on each side. And now we use the elevation screw to move it to the full vertical position. Now that it's in the full vertical position, we can remove the screws attaching it to the base. The next step is to remove the turnbuckle tension straps from the tripod. We do this by unscrewing the turnbuckle until the screw is almost completely screwed out. You can then remove the carabiner clips from the hook. The final step in disassembly of the tripod is to remove each of the wing nuts and then we can remove the legs for stowage. We can now remove the legs from the tripod base.